Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how we can achieve export to Excel functionality within your Angular project. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So basic prerequisite for this to work is you need one dependency to be installed in your Angular project. So that is this XLSX. So if it is not already installed in your machine, then you need to type one command as npm install XLSX, which will download that dependency for you. So after doing that, you need to import that. So how you gonna import star as XLSX from XLSX package. Okay, so after that, so now you can see on my screen that I have this object and that I have to export in the Excel format. So usually in your projects also there will be need where you are getting API data as a JSON and that you need to convert it into the Excel format. So let's see how we can do that. So I have just added one dummy array over here which has name and email as key, and we have 3 objects of like that. And then just to see it visually, I am showing data with this pipe JSON so that you would be able to see on your screen like this. Okay, so first I will create one button for this case. So let me split my screen in equal halves. Okay, so here I'm gonna create one button. Let's say that button name is export to Excel, so it is easy to understand. I have created that export to Excel button, and now here I will add one click method. Click, and let's say the method which I am going to call is export to Excel. Okay, let's keep this thing as small. Okay, so we are following proper naming convention, and in this TS file I've already created this function export to Excel. So now we have to utilize this package. So first I'm gonna create one worksheet. So for that I will just mention, let me expand this, const ws for worksheet, and then I'm gonna use XLSX. Within that we have utility, so dot utils, and here we can say JSON to sheet, and we need to pass our data like this data. So this entire data I'm passing to this function, and then we have to create new workbook. Const wb is equal to XLSX dot utils dot book new. Okay, now we have to append this sheet. So for that, XLSX dot utils dot book append shift we have to select, and we need to pass argument as wb, which is workbook, ws worksheet, and you need to give name to your sheet. So I am giving name to placeholder. Okay, so that it is easy to understand and it can be anything. And then we need to save this file. So how we can do this? XLSX dot write file, and within that we need to pass this workbook as argument, workbook, and you need to give some name to it. So I will just give user list dot XLSX. It should be XLSX, and I'm gonna save this. Okay, now let's go back to our browser and let's see whether this functionality works or not. So here I'm clicking on this export to Excel. It has downloaded file user list XLSX. I'm gonna open this and it has exported all the data. So let's see, let's verify again. So let's suppose I'm adding few more things over here. So let's say Control C, I'm adding Peter. I will add Virat just to check whether it works or not, and here I'm gonna add Virat again. Okay, so these are my new changes, and in the newer file we should have that name as well. Okay, so this is kind of unit testing we are doing just to verify whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so let's open this to file, and now you can see the latest entry as well. So in this way you can export your array into Excel, and it is widely used in various projects, so it would be helpful for you. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.